Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a really fun experiment that we can do at home with our toddlers. This experiment explores how the reaction of milk, soap, and food coloring interacts with each other. And it's a really cool experiment, and we only need 5 ingredients. So, some milk, a plastic plate, some food coloring, a Q-tip, and some soap. Hello, so for this experiment what you would want to do is pour the milk, and whole milk is the best if you have it. If not, 2% works pretty good. And then you want to just have a little layer across the plastic plate, and then you would want to take the food coloring, and the food coloring I picked is a little blue, and you want to drop a few dots on the milk, and then take orange and drop a few dots, and let your toddlers do the dots. And then with the Q-tips you want to put and I'll move this out of the way a little bit, is you want to pour the soap onto the Q-tip, and you want to cover it a pretty good amount. And then once you have the soap that covers the Q-tip, what you want to let your toddler do is stick the Q-tip into the plate with the milk and colored plate, and ask them what do they see happening. And as you see, the soap is interacting with the milk, and it's actually making some really cool designs. And with this you can ask your toddlers what's happening and what colors are they seeing from this. And then with the other side of the Q-tip, you can try to stick it in there and see what happens. Ask the toddler if it's reacting the same way or not. So with this experiment, we're asking our toddlers to observe how different elements that are around us can interact with each other. For this instance, we're asking our toddlers to observe how the dish soap interacts with the fat in the milk and how they dance around each other. For this experiment, it encourages 3 different things in our toddlers. First, it encourages their problem-solving skills, and this is seen when we're asking them what they're observing and to try different things to see if they get the same results. The second thing that it encourages is their fine motor skills, and their fine motor skills are the small little muscles in their fingers when they're dropping the little food coloring into the plate. And the third skill that we're helping them develop is their language skills. And this is done when we're asking them and waiting for a response back. Thank you for joining me in this experiment today. And always remember to read, play, talk, and sing each and every day to our little ones, because their development depends on us. Ahia.